Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are at Disney Springs. I'm very excited. This is kind of an impromptu trip to Disney Springs, but I'm excited we're here.
What prompted this decision was Gideon's new cookie that they've released for the month of June. Their Pride Month cookie. It is a white chocolate macadamia caramel cookie with edible rainbow glitter.
It is about 6 minutes till Disney Springs officially opens, so we're gonna head over to Gideon's and see what the situation is over there. If it's standby or if they're starting virtual. I don't know. We've never been here right at open. So
yeah, we'll see what happens if it's only standby or if they've switched to virtual. They also recently, like a week ago, they released a new Watermelon Dole Whip. So we're gonna hopefully give that a try today too. No. Just in general. Here in Disney Springs. Yeah, it's
we're also gonna get a funky chicken.
Funky. Yeah, we're gonna go back to Everglazed.
Probably also this video is Return of the Funky Chicken. Yes. So we're gonna head over to Gideon's now and see what the dealio is. Yep.
Also, so Disney Springs, all of Disney, you don't have to wear a mask while outside.
Just indoor and while on attractions. There are no attractions here.
Right. So they haven't
in a carousel.
They haven't switched over like Universal has to where it just if you're vaccinated that you don't have to wear one. Yep, so masks are here. They'll be on and off all day. But that's okay. Oh, this is where Marketplace Snacks. This is where the Watermelon Dole Whip should be. The balloon is up in the sky over there and there's a slight breeze. It's a little more up right now, but it was like... Yeah, okay. We're approaching Joffrey's and I do already see them doing...
Did you say Joffrey's?
Joffrey's. I was talking about Joffrey's.
We're going to
because Joffrey's wasn't open. Gideon's.
This is so embarrassing.
We made it to Gideon's and it looks like they're starting their virtual signups at the entrance here already.
Thank you.
Alright, so we signed up. She said an hour and 35 minutes for our return time and then we'll be in 20 minutes time. I guess.
Is it wrong to say I want to go to the trading source? I want pins.
We might as well while we're right here. Okay.
Because like I'm not hungry yet.
We're not quite ready for our funky chicken. I could probably drink something.
Yeah, I could drink something.
I'm a little thirsty.
If you want to go to Joffrey's.
Since Joffrey's is on the brain apparently.
I don't even know if I've ever been to Joffrey's.
I haven't. I've never been to Joffrey's.
Alright, maybe we can just get
that could be something
to share.
Yeah, that could be something because I'm for sure gonna get my peanut butter cold brew from Gideon's.
I probably want something from Everglazed.
Yeah?
I think I would want something from Everglazed.
Okay, that's fine.
I liked the peanut butter iced coffee at Everglazed better than Gideon's.
Really? Okay.
I
like the Gideon's. Oh yeah, that strawberry chai. Okay, yeah, let's try it out. Yeah, fried donuts. It's social distancing. Burgers or coffee beans. So we got this round up latte. It is cookie butter and dulce de leche with oat milk substitute. I personally prefer the taste. I actually hate milk, period. So, and oat milk is actually really good.
Yeah, I never drink milk, so if I do, something's happening.
Yeah.
It's just better to not.
So there's like a slight dairy sensitivity and then also just don't love the taste of milk. Yeah, milk is gross.
Okay, love.
That's fun.
Adorable.
They also had the Lion, so they had the s'mores latte, which is pretty self-explanatory as far as flavor goes, and then they had the Lion's latte that she said was white chocolate and coconut.
And some people also have coconut sensitivities, so.
But also, I think she had us at cookie butter.
Yeah, she did. She had me at cookie butter for sure. This just looks like a little animal cookie. warm espresso.
Oh, okay.
But it tasted really good. I just didn't like that it was warm.
I only had one sip.
I really like it. It's
Yeah?
like, I'm not getting a lot of flavors, but it tastes like good coffee. You know what I mean? I also have animal cookie remnants in my mouth, so that might be. The cookie makes it good.
It is very good.
Yeah, I don't get a lot of flavors, but it just tastes like a yummy latte.
Yeah, it is really good. I don't get the leche. I feel like it would be more caramely. I feel like I get like the essence of the flavors, but it's not like cookie butter.
Yeah, I love cookie butter. Like I can eat cookie butter by the spoonful.
Yeah.
So
it's good though.
I like it. I mean, we've already drank like this much of it in 2 seconds. So okay, now I think we're gonna go to the pin trading store.
I know some Disney people that are all about their Joffrey's coffee, and we were just saying that we understand why people might be all about
Tell
it.
it's yummy.
It tastes like
I know
good
there's
quality.
Joffrey's in Ohio, but there's definitely none near us. Like I couldn't tell you where one is. So
But they can pretty much be found at every corner in anything Disney.
Yeah.
So the Disney
it's
people
just not readily available to us.
Yeah,
That's
right.
Why we've never really tried it.
never tried it before, but it's definitely good.
Yeah, it is.
Time to get some pins. Pins.
This is pretty cute.
I think we're officially like starting our pin trading or our pin collecting.
Yeah.
So it might be time to start putting the pins onto something.
Villains.
Katie picked villains because obviously.
My second favorite is Pride one, but I like the balloons better.
I like the balloons. And you have a balloon pin that would be perfect. I'm just going Mickey and stars.
Oh, okay. Oh, my stars.
Oh my stars. I did see that one.
Okay, now we can go look at pins. I'm so excited. This one is cute.
That one is cute too. But you have a Pride Disney or a Universal one. I feel like you should get the villains one.
I like them both.
Yeah. The anxiety is real because there are all the I
wonder how much this is.
there's backs. We like the mystery ones, and they have all different ones, and they're themed differently. So if you turn them around, it'll tell you. So like this
Okay,
one
so
is
this is the
stamps.
Elliot.
Those ones are the bottle caps, like we have.
The balloons. I feel like I might want more balloons.
These ones are little like books. So we have all of the bottle cap ones. These ones are roller skates, so these ones are kind of different. But then they also have like mystery boxes. So they've got like cruise line. So this one has the cruise line pins. I can't remember how many they come with. Okay, these come with two randomly selected pins. Like attractions.
I'm about to spend so much money on freaking pins.
I know. I like these little origami ones.
I like the hugs one. I see somebody wants the monsters.
Yeah, so the mystery ones are fun. Obviously, then they do have, they have ones over here that you can actually pick. There's a specific pin that you're looking for. But the mystery ones are, I think, the way to go. I don't think I said prices. So like these mystery ones that come with 2 pens. So these ones are $16, $15.99. Looks like that's how much these ones are. Oh, this Toy Story one is $20 for whatever reason. But most of them are $15.99. $15.99. But then these ones that just come with 1 pen are $6.99. These little ones up here at the register. I think I'm gonna get my mom some of these ones.
Hey, did we just spend
So that's
$50 and $60?
I spent 70.
50, 60, and $70.
But I also got I bought stuff for Mimi for watching my children.
Okay,
but
so we
yeah, that's a
did-
very dangerous store. Lanyard. I have no idea. I don't think we really know what each other picked out because we kind of just
I bought 4
scattered.
bags.
You want to go first?
Oh, well, yeah, sure. Okay. I have a bag from Universal on my Elliot pin, and it's not staying on, so I bought these.
And I lost my Mickey Mouse.
So sad. Did you this Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Is it this one?
Okay, first I
lost my
got this Pride guy. This is the only non-mystery one that I got.
That's cute.
I have this Happiness Is mystery pack.
I did like those ones.
I didn't look at them. Oh, maybe I did.
So this is
I think you get 2 in these ones.
I like almost all of them. I don't
like
really
the
like the
castle
Haunted
one.
Mansion one. It's a little weird. And the Small World one. And I'd be fine with either.
Open it.
I'm so excited.
Okay, open them both, and then when you're ready to reveal. Oh, they pop right in
I
there.
got a Minnie Mouse.
Oh, cute. Those are kind of big too.
A Happiness Is.
Ooh, I liked that one.
I like both of these.
Yeah, those are really cute.
Okay, that was a winner.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll show which one is also not a mystery one. I got this
Okay, that's cute. I love that.
Pride Castle. She's a cutie. And then I guess I'll open my big box.
Yeah,
I
go
got
ahead.
the Hollywood Studios.
And they're like, okay. I don't know what those are called. This little movie.
Yeah, the movies. Stitch.
Cute.
And Mickey Mouse.
Aw,
Cute.
I like Mickey.
I do like Mickey. I was hoping for Jack or Maleficent,
I
but
don't know why, but I like Kermit.
these
Those are
nice.
good.
Yeah, I like these.
Okay.
Okay, so my lanyard. Oh, I didn't realize the other side. Okay.
Yeah, they're all reversible.
Okay, but I like this side. I also got a non-mystery one. This is the one that spoke to me.
Oh, that's fun.
So that's mine. And then I also got my mother this one. And then my mystery pack I chose was the origami. Donald Duck. Daisy Duck.
Oh, perfect.
Cute.
Those are cute. Next, I have this backpack collection.
Okay.
I got the backpacks too.
Oh wow. Why don't you get your backpacks out and reveal together?
Let's see who I'm hoping for. Honestly, I really like Baymax. I like Baymax and Marie and Ursula. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
I don't got it. I got Stitch, which he's cute, so it's fine.
Stitch for the win today.
I still can't open mine. Okay.
I'll start trying to open mine. I got the balloons. Oh, we all got a balloon one? Okay, we all got a balloon one. So I'll try and get mine open and yeah, you do have to be aggressive.
That one's not gonna open.
Okay.
Guess we'll never know what's in it. Okay, ready? Donald Duck. Nice. What are you guys hoping for?
Okay, so we all got balloons.
I like the Cheshire Cat. I like Baymax. I like Flounder.
I like
and I like
Tigger. I probably wouldn't really be upset about any of them, to be honest.
My
I'll
least
be upset
favorite
if I
is
get
Goofy, but I like the rest. Yeah, I have.
All right, so there could be some trading if you got Goofy again.
I got the Dalmatian.
Oh, that one's really cute.
That one.
Ooh, I actually really do like that one. Tigger! Oh, it's so cute.
And Goofy.
Yay, that was
So what's really fun about these little mystery sets is so now I want to complete my origami series. So you can keep getting the mystery ones. Yeah, you want to complete, right? Like you want to complete your series now. So when you get repeats, this is when you can start trading. So they don't have trading at the pin trading store yet. But anywhere in like the Disney parks, they have their trading. So next time we go to Disney, we can start trading. So that's fun. So I got a little excited now about the pin trading, and I think I'm gonna pick my mom out a lanyard. So we're going back in because we are going to Disney again next month, and I want her to be able to feel in the pack here. So I gotta find one that speaks to me about my mom. This is so dangerous. We literally walked back in here. This is so addicting. So we came back in here just to get another lanyard, and now we're like, okay, we have to do it again.
Okay.
You're gonna get another balloon?
I'm gonna get a bottle cap and another balloon.
Okay.
What did you get? Bottle cap and a balloon. Okay, so you're propped on a wall. So let's do the balloons first.
Okay.
I got the Cheshire Cat.
Again?
I got Tigger. Oh man, again? Again.
So we can start trading
I
them
will
on.
trade thee my Goofy for your... Ooh, Baymax! Oh, cute!
Okay.
You have a balloon too?
Yep.
It's Goofy again.
And it is... okay. I'm
I
so excited about
got
Flounder.
another bottle cap. Oh, I got Elliot again.
Did you? Oh.
That's okay, I love Elliot.
Okay, I got another box of the origamis because I don't know why I feel so drawn to the origami ones. And it worked out perfectly that I got Mr. and Mrs. Duck. So now, they opened so easily the first time. And the first one is Daisy again. Okay, so my first tradable. And Minnie Mouse.
There's a Minnie Mouse.
There she is. Yeah, so that's super, super dangerous in there.
Elliot for a Tigger? Oh, sure.
Oh, we're already trading. Look at you
In my
guys.
brain, I thought we had to trade the same collections for the same collection. Yay! Thanks! Kiki was called Mimi for some reason.
It's been what, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Since our Gideon, so they're not quite time for that yet. While we're just in the area, I guess we're gonna hop over to the trends for Chris. Yeah, I have those cute too. I love those. They got matching shorts. Oh, there are matching shorts, aren't there? Got a little pride area in here. This is cool. My happy place. I love these pink ones with like the pearls on them. Next stop, World of Disney. Wow! I was attacked. Good morning. Of anything like super new or exciting so far. And they do have like the same little stand of Pride stuff over there.
Oh, this is new.
Besides that, oh, there are some Loki ears. Oh, those are interesting. Huh. Okay, well there you go. Star Wars Starbucks mugs in here. Never really paid attention to that before. That's little inner tubes. Okay. Aww.
It's so cute.
It's cute.
Her chubby little legs just stay out.
Got some other. Oh yeah. I love that.
Yeah.
Pride magic band. There's some Christmas ornaments and a dog collar. I love the dog collar. I'm gonna get this little bracelet to take home to Jackson. And then we also got our text message that it's time to return to Gideon's. So we will head over there now. There's quite the line to get into the Lego store this morning. Not even sure where the end of it is. Keep coming. Made it back. Okay, the month of June menu. Pride Month specials. Oh yeah, I saw pictures of this cake. And it looks beautiful. I hope it's in there for us to at least look at. Ah! He's so cute! Next in line. Oh.
Those masks, welcome to Gideon's Bakehouse, guys.
Thank you! Oh my god, look at that cake. It's so beautiful. I did get my peanut butter cold brew again. It's so good. Did you get your t-shirt? Oh, I want to see it. Oh, you got the red one!
So cute.
It's so cute. So for Pride Month, they have this shirt, but this one they're only selling so many of. I think I saw them on like 200 per location or something. And they also have a black one. I'm glad you went with the red. I like that one. Cute. So we got a few different ones, but we're at least gonna try the special
Limited edition.
the limited edition one. Oh, look at the sparkles. It's
So
pretty.
cute. It is like, and then it's like
Yeah.
a that's a mound. Yeah. What is this?
White chocolate macadamia nut with caramel.
It's good.
Yep.
I don't love white chocolate, so
White chocolate is like my favorite thing. This is amazing.
yeah, this is really good. Yeah, good. Yeah.
I'm gonna be sad that this one goes away. Yum. That one's
still my favorite.
That one's so good. Yeah. The shade feels nice for the second. It is approaching lunchtime. So when we're ready to tackle the sun again, we're gonna head over to Everglazed and get the funky chicken. And then we still wanna try that Watermelon Dole Whip. And then maybe a Star Wars store. Oh, and another Disney store over there that we're gonna see if there's any new merch in. We're gonna stop into Disney Style. Whoa, sorry about Gideon's thing. See if they have anything new in here. But it's pretty cute though.
I know. Evil by design.
Ooh, I like
So cute.
Oh, I like the different colored sleeves.
I like the different lengths of the.
Yeah, I like that. Funky. Okay, so wait, I guess the Cruella merch was pretty much what was new in that store, which did like, but
We only traveled with backpacks.
yeah, and we're already
Pushing it.
Yeah.
Actually past pushing it.
So maybe next time when we come with suitcases, if some of that's still here, we'll check it out. And I'm still walking around with a mask on because I just can't for the life of me figure that out.
It almost like, it feels so gross when you first take it off because there's just a lot of moisture.
Yeah.
You don't notice it when it's on.
The on and off is not really that pleasant. Like I want it off, but it's also
Gross.
we have arrived.
Thank you. Okay, we got the Cloud9, which is cold brew, milk, salted caramel syrup, and whipped cream, topped with a butterscotch caramel craze donut. And
Wow.
then they don't have the Nutella Bella anymore, which I might sue them for. They said they replaced it with a Boston cream that has Nutella icing, so it's not going to be as good because I really like the Nutella innards.
Specifically?
Yeah, but
That's a letdown.
sure it'll still be yummy. I do love Boston cream donuts. They're like one of my favorite donuts.
Yeah, so we'll try
It's
it.
not going to be the same.
I'm so excited about this.
Yeah, and this looks wild. It has caramel popcorn on it. It smells so good.
Is this a donut you can get by itself, or is it exclusively with the
You
drink?
can get it.
You
Butterscotch
can?
caramel
Okay,
cream.
okay.
Yeah.
Coming.
Thank you.
1,200 napkins.
Oh. There's probably donut in it. There it comes.
Oh my god.
It's pretty strong. It might need mixed up, but
Strong
it's
coffee?
good. Yeah. I forget what caramel. I forget. It's good coffee though. Theme of the day.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we're gonna bust into this.
I think I get like the butterscotch flavor in there a little bit.
I don't think there's butterscotch in the coffee.
Oh, there's not butterscotch in the coffee? I thought there was butterscotch syrup or something.
There might be. I can't remember. Oh, she's going for it.
Oh, okay. She's just wanting that.
I wanted to eat it. Is it as good as we remember? Yes.
Oh my god.
It is so good.
It's so good. There's no pretty way to eat that.
I don't even care.
So amazing.
Anything on my face? It's like a little glazed, but not like a lot.
Are we gonna give this our full attention and then?
Yeah, we'll like come back when we're done I'm gonna eat this whole demolishing
Oh,
this.
Welcome back.
You're gonna do the hands again.
Yeah, no, there's. She made a good point. They need to come with wet naps because napkins do nothing to sticky glazed fingers. Try this. Nutella Bella replacement. Wow, she's heavy. I get Boston cream, but I don't get Nutella.
Nope.
Chocolate? I don't get Nutella.
Hold on, let me.
A little bit. A little bit? Well, that's sad. Well.
is better than that one. It's like a caramel glaze.
I love glazed donuts.
I also love butterscotch. All the chocolate chips on it are melted.
The butterscotch chips.
The butterscotch chips.
Yeah, they're not chocolate.
The butterscotch chips. Yeah,
Their glazed donuts are so good.
I like that one better. That's probably behind the Nutella Bella. My favorite donut that we've tried here.
My favorite donut is a glazed donut.
The glazed donuts are good.
I'm sweating so much. Okay, one more bite.
And then we need to go take a bath.
Yeah.
That caramel just kind of gets stuck in your teeth when you bite into it. But
Oh God, it's so hot. Wow. That was good though. I'm so happy we had the pumpkin chicken again.
yeah, it didn't disappoint.
Still amazing.
I really like this.
88 UVs and 11. We are at the marketplace snacks to try the new Watermelon Dole Whip parfait. And then after that, we're gonna go to the other Star Wars, the co-op store, and then probably, probably call it a day after that.
Are Mickey Mouses.
A little sad.
It tastes like watermelon candy. I think it's a little sweet.
Yeah,
I think I
it
prefer
tastes like
the
watermelon candy.
I prefer the pineapple.
Yeah.
This tastes like really sugary.
Yes.
It's good. I'm glad we're sharing it though, because I don't think I'd be able to get a whole.
There's definitely like watermelon flavor, like artificial, obviously. I don't think it's real watermelon flavor is never replicated, I don't think. But I wonder what the green is. What's the green in the bottom?
I thought maybe lime.
Okay. Well, we'll eat this and we'll try and get to the green. No?
It's not Dole Whip.
Oh.
It was like slimy, so I was confused. I have no idea what that is.
I still kind of prefer the pineapple.
Yeah, I have no, it doesn't really taste like anything.
icing?
I have no idea what the green stuff is at the bottom. It doesn't really have a flavor, but it does have a texture.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, you can get this through September.
Almost making my tongue burn.
I want to say September 6th. You can get the watermelon, and it comes in a parfait, or you can also, it's not on the menu, but you can also order it in a wedge. So it comes in a giant, like hollowed out watermelon wedge. All right, I think this is the last stop of the day.
These are droids.
But it's a collectible pin tag that
Those are $30.
oh my gosh, is it? How many pins come in it?
There's a lot.
5. There's 5 pins in here. But this wasn't at the pin store.
But I don't want droids.
They have a lot of stuff in this store that is not in the other. So they sell like Star Wars stuff in the Disney store, and then obviously in the Star Wars store they have like similar things in both those stores, and then this store has a lot of like different stuff. So this is where you can get like actual lightsabers, like costume stuff.
Oh, it's I actually left it behind, but that's not what you're silver. Okay, cool. Thank you. No problem.
Obi-Wan and Solo, Kylo Ren. Yeah, I like Leia's too. Alright, I think that's gonna end our day at Disney Springs. I hope you enjoyed the new things we did and showed and ate.
I love it here.
Yep. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.